This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook edible gum. Edible gum, also known as gond, is a fascinating ingredient derived from tree sap, widely used in various cuisines. It is particularly valued for its unique texture and nutritional benefits, including being a good source of dietary fiber. Many traditional recipes incorporate it for its warming effects, making it a popular addition to winter treats and health-boosting foods. Before cooking, proper preparation of raw edible gum is crucial. First, carefully inspect the gum for any small impurities such as tiny bits of bark or dust, and gently remove them. Next, break down any larger chunks of gum into smaller, more uniform pieces, ideally about 1/4 of an inch in size. This ensures even cooking and better integration into your dishes later on. There are two primary methods for cooking edible gum. One common way is to fry it. Heat about 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil in a pan over medium heat, then add the gum pieces. Fry them for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until they puff up significantly and turn light golden. Another method is dry roasting in a pan over low heat, stirring continuously for 3 to 5 minutes until the pieces slightly expand. After cooking, the edible gum is ready to be incorporated into your favorite dishes. Gently crush the puffed gum into a coarse powder or small, irregular pieces, depending on your recipe's requirements. This cooked gum is excellent in ladus, porridges, or even sprinkled over desserts. For optimal freshness, store the prepared gum in an airtight container at room temperature, where it will remain good for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.